How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to recover deleted WhatsApp message. So to recover your deleted WhatsApp message, you can use a backup by uninstalling and reinstalling the app and then selecting a restore. So this method actually involves uninstalling the app, or what you could do is, let's say that you've uninstalled the app, all right? Then once again you want to reinstall, and when you try to log in, you could log in with the same phone number and then your credentials, and then you will be able to find this option as backup or maybe restore your chats. So you could click on that option, and it might take a couple of minutes in order to restore your chat. And that is how you should be able to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. But if somebody has already deleted the message, or if this was something like, let's see, what you want to do is long press, click on the three dot icon, and once the other person has done, delete for everyone. Then this kind of message is quite difficult, or it's not possible to recover. So all you could do is restore your chat, as I mentioned earlier, or you could just tap on the settings and go to account and make sure to enable backup. So here it is, chats and all that stuff. So here you could go and enable backup, and that's how you should be able to restore your deleted WhatsApp message. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.